friends, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning data structures to C, in the previous video we discussed about the applications of stack. Well, in today's video, we will understand the implementation of one of that application, which is the conversion of infix to postfix. So before that, we should learn about the algorithm and what is this infix and postfix expression. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end and do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. So let us understand the algorithm for infix to postfix. So before we get into the algorithm, we should understand some basics about this. So we all know what is expression. So expression is nothing but the combination of operators, operands and sometimes a constant. So in that we have a variety of expressions. So we have different types of expressions. We have infix expression, prefix and postfix. The name itself will have the meaning there. Obviously we all know, because when we say infix means the operators will be in between. When I say prefix, the operators will be first. Pre means before. Postfix means the operator will be next. So here comes the operator in between the operands. So this is what the operator, all these are basics, and A and B are operands. Then prefix means the operator will come first, then the operands. Operator first and then the operands. Post means afterwards. Operator will be at the last. So operands will come first. So this is what with infix, prefix and postfix. So now let us get into the algorithm of converting such a kind of infix expression to postfix expression. So how to convert this infix to postfix? Let us see. Well, we have two methods actually. One is algebraic method to convert infix to postfix. But we need to see the stack method of converting the infix to postfix. So here we have the algorithm to convert the infix expression to postfix. I have written 4 steps actually. The remaining 3 steps I will write it later. So let us imagine you have a complex infix expression. Infix means the operators will be in between. We have operands and operators, where operators will be in between the operands. Something like, say for example, the operand can be a variable, say something like a plus b divided by 6 into 4, something like this. Or it could be straight away a variable like this, 2 plus 6 divided by 4 into 10, something like this. So if you have such a kind of infix expression, how to convert this to postfix using stack method we are understanding now. So we need to follow these steps. The first step says, examine the next element in the input. So in this expression, this is just an example. We will see an actual example later. So if you want to convert this infix to, this is in infix to postfix using stack method, it says you examine that element, that what you need to put it into the stack. So examine the next element in the input. If it is an operand can be a variable or it could be a constant. If it is an operand, then you simply output it. You need not put that into the stack. You simply bring that to output if it is operand. If not, like this, we need to check many scenarios. Okay, if it is operand, we'll simply output it. Then, so for example, if I just take this itself, 2 will be to the output. Then, if it is, it may also have some brackets like this, right? If it is opening parenthesis, then put it into the stack. Put it onto the stack. If it is opening parenthesis in the expression, if you find opening parenthesis, then you put that into the stack. But According to this expression, we have operator. So what to do with operator, we'll see now. If it is operand, you simply output. If it is parenthesis, that is opening parenthesis, you push that into the stack. That's what it's saying. If it is opening parenthesis, put that into the stack. Push that into the stack. If it is not opening parenthesis, then it could be an operator. If it is an operator, then 4 things has to be taken care. If it is an operator, see here we have operator actually, right? So we have the operator. I said 2 plus 6. So plus is an operator. So what I need to do if it is an operator, then if the stack is empty, you simply push that operator onto the stack. Just imagine the stack is empty. The stack is empty. If the stack is empty, you simply put that operator into the stack. I have to push that plus into the stack. Or if the top of the stack, so imagine you have some elements you have. If the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, just imagine you have an opening parenthesis like this. If the top of, this is what the top here, right? If the top of the stack is opening parenthesis, no issues. Simply push that operator into the stack. So for example, imagine you already have plus, then you have opening parenthesis, then you are getting one more operator. If you have opening parenthesis which is on the top of the stack, no issues. You simply push that into the stack. First thing, if it is operator, all these things we need to do. If the stack is empty, I'll simply push it. If I have the opening parenthesis on the top of the stack, no issues. Then also you simply push that into the stack. One is empty, you push. If it is opening parenthesis, you push. Then, one more thing I need to imagine here. If the operator, just imagine like this, the operator that what I need to put and the operator that what I have already in the stack. So you should know the precedence of the operators. Before we do this, you should learn about the precedence of the operators. As you all know, the basic operator precedence, which is parenthesis, which takes the first precedence. Then we have multiplication, division, modulus, the second precedence. Then we have addition, subtraction, and goes on like this. So these the 3 basic precedents that what everyone should know. Parenthesis, first precedence. Second precedence for multiplication, division, modulus, same level of precedence. Then we need to follow the associativity, right to left or left to right, in which order we need to execute it. Then the third precedence, it is for addition and subtraction. It says we need to keep in mind all these precedents. Then it says if the operator that what I need to push, if it is having the higher priority than the top of the stack, push the operator onto the stack. So for example, so we have say plus here, right? Then let us imagine just plus here. The next operator is multiplication. What it is saying? The next operator, just imagine the next operator that what we need to push is asterisk. It says you can only push this if the top of the stack that is already available here, this is what the top here, the top of the stack, this is the top. The operator, if the operator that what I need to push, if it is having higher priority than the top of the stack, then push. So according to plus and asterisk, the operator that what I need to push is asterisk. Is asterisk having higher priority than plus? Yes. So asterisk is having precedence 2 and plus is having precedence 3. It is just to know that the operator that what you place at the top of the stack should be of the highest priority than the operators that what we have already in the stack. So plus is already in the stack. Just imagine plus is already inside the stack. And the next operator that what I need to push is asterisk. Then compare, which is having highest priority. So if the operator that what I need to push is having highest priority, then only I can push that into the stack. Just imagine I need to push asterisk. Is asterisk having highest priority than the top of the stack? Yes. Then you simply push that. then push that operator into the stack. If not, just imagine you have a asterisk here, then the operator that what you need to push is plus. It says the operator, if it has means if the operator has the higher priority than the top of the stack, then only you can push. But just according to this, top of the stack is asterisk and now I am pushing plus, which is having highest priority. It is asterisk. It says if not, if the operator that what I need to push is not having the higher priority, then else pop the operator from the stack. So already the operator which was inside the stack, I need to pop it. I have to pop means asterisk has to be removed. So asterisk, I have to pop that operator from the stack and output it. So asterisk will be removed and to the output I have to print that. Right? Then I need to push. Then I need to push this. Hope you are understanding this. So the operator, if it is having highest priority than the operator in the stack, then I can push. If the operator that what I am going to push is not having the higher priority, then whatever operator we have in the top of the stack, I need to pop it. Then I need to push this. So popping in a sense, I have to bring that to the output. This is with the step 4. And once again, if I find the operator, I need to repeat the step 4. From the beginning, I need to check if that operator stack is empty, then push. If it is opening parenthesis, then push. If it is having higher priority, then push. 3 things we need to keep it in our mind. If it is empty stack, you simply push. If it is opening parenthesis on the top of the stack, you simply push the operator. If it is the highest priority, the operator that what I need to push is having highest priority than the operator already available in the stack, then you push. If not, else you simply pop that operator and then push it. This is the steps. Let us continue with this. Step 5 says, if it is a closing parenthesis, pop the operators from the stack. Just imagine you have asterisk here, then you have a division, all these operators in the stack. Then finally we get this closing parenthesis. When a closing parenthesis is encountered, simply pop all the operators from the stack, from the top. So division will come first, then asterisk will come next. So I am going to pop. I am going to pop all these operators until an opening parenthesis is encountered. So I encounter this opening parenthesis, then finally what I should do, I have to simply pop and discard that. So I have to pop that also, then I have to discard it. So it will be popped and it will be discarded. Fine. Then, if there is some more input in my expression, then once again I have to repeat all those step 1, 2, 3, 4, everything. If there is no more input, if some more input, go to step 1. If no more input, then simply pop the remaining operators to the output. So plus is there, I have to simply put that to the stack. So plus will be popped. So this is the steps that what we need to follow to convert the infix to postfix expression. In the next video, we will see a complete expression and we will see how to convert that infix expression to postfix using this stack method. We also call this as bucket method, bucket or stack method. So hope you have understood these steps. So you have to note down these steps first. The next video, please keep that steps in front of you. Then we will see how to convert an infix expression to postfix using this stack method. So that's all for today's video. So in the next video, till then, take care. Bye-bye.